Okay, my dear students and audience, good evening to all of you. This is the second part of tense. Now today we will learn about the present indefinite tense or simple present tense. But we will call it present indefinite tense. Now there are further two kinds of present indefinite tense. Pay attention. You will be very clear about present indefinite, and there is a great doubt in the students that they do not identify the difference between functional present indefinite tense and descriptive present indefinite tense. Further, present indefinite tense has been divided into two parts. First is a functional present indefinite tense. Second is a descriptive present indefinite tense. Now, what is the difference between present indefinite and functional present indefinite and what is and a descriptive present indefinite tense? Listen carefully. In functional present indefinite, the main verb which will come in the sentence will work. What? In functional present indefinite tense, only main verb will do the work, or main verb will work in the sentence. That is called a present functional present indefinite tense. I want to say that a main role of a main verb will be there in a functional present indefinite tense. And second part of present indefinite is that is descriptive present indefinite tense. In this tense, only the subject will do the work, or main role will be of subject, and we will identify the descriptive present indefinite tense when there is no main verb in the sentence. Only the linking verb we will find in the sentence, that is called the descriptive present indefinite tense. What are the linking verb? Such as is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had. These are the linking verb. The role of these linking verb will be in descriptive present indefinite tense. Now further, before going into the tenses, we must learn about the kind of the verb. There are two kinds of the verb. First is the helping verb and second is the main verb. But I want to describe that there are two kinds of the main verb. Until unless we will not learn these main verb, kind of the main verb, we cannot write English, we cannot learn the regular and irregular main verb. First is the regular main verb, second is the irregular main verb. Which are called the regular main verb and which are called the regular verb? This is a regular main verb. First, second and third. In English it is called the present regular verb. It is second form, we call it as a past regular form, and third it is past participle main verb. when there will be ed at the end of word, that is called the regular main verb. Simply, if we find ed at the end of the word main verb, then it is called a regular main verb. Such as walk, walked, walk. English phonetic alphabets, it calls walk, walk, walk. But our regional language, being Indian, in different parts, states of India, pronunciation is different. When you go to the south, the pronunciation of English is separate, different. When you go to the north India, the pronunciation will be different. When you go to the east India, that pronunciation of English will be different. When you come to the west, that pronunciation of English will be very different. When you come in the center of India, then the pronunciation is different. But when you go to America and England, their pronunciation different. Hence, we should not bother about it. Thing. Language is that which can be understood easily. That is called the language, and you are understanding it easily. Now, second is a irregular verb. Irregular verb is that which first form, second form, or third form, present form, past form, and past participle form. These are different in the shape, in the spelling. First, sleep. Here is a double E. And second form is a slept. Here E has been removed and T has been included or added at the end of the word. It means the spelling is here is something else and here is something else. Third form is slept. It means in a irregular verb, sometimes the first form and second form and third form. Second form and third form. Past and past participle form will be main verb will be same, spelling will be same, and the first form will be different. Sometimes you will find that first form, second form, third form will be same. Sometimes you will find that first form, second form and third form, these are different. That's why it is called irregular. There is no regularity in the main verb. Here is a regularity because here it will be included at the end of the main verb. Hence it is called regular. There is no doubt. And here is irregular because here stand. Now it is not stepped, it is not stepped, it is stood. It is irregular. It is stood. Second form and third form. It means past and past participles are same, but the present form is different. This is the fall, fail, fallen. All three are different. Fall spelling is F-A-L-L, fail F-E-L-L, and F-A-L-L-E-N. Three. All three present, past participles verb are different. Now, hence you must remember it. Those who are appearing in the army clerks, I am telling along with this 10th class, 6th to 10th class, these will come in your examination. Army clerks, you must answer who are preparing for the army clerks or the fora for the second grade and third grade, or the first level and second grade teacher and second teacher English or lecturer. They can also understand it very easily. Now, it is regular, it is irregular. And there are so many members. You will find in the first form, that is the present form, it is also called the dictionary verb. It is also called a dictionary verb. Why it is called dictionary verb? शब्दकोश kriya, because the first form it is found in the dictionary. When we will search out any meaning, then we will find the in this dictionary. Now I want to tell you these are the applicable for tenses. Now second, kinds of verb also. What are the kinds of transitive verb and intransitive verb? These are two kinds of the transitive and intransitive verb. What is the transitive verb? In transitive verb there will be object simply. After the main verb there will be object. In transitive verb there is no object after the main verb. For example, I will write here, I am walking on the road. Here it is the subject, it is helping verb, it is main verb, and it is preposition, it is article, and it is a object. It means after the main verb there is object. After the main verb there is object. Hence it is called a transitive verb. It is called a transitive verb. She is a girl. Here subject is commando. Subject is the commander. And here it is object, and after the linking verb is there is no helping main verb. It means it is called the linking verb or it is called the descriptive verb. So you can say it as an intransitive verb. Is a intransitive verb. Intransitive verb is that intransitive verb is that he is sleeping. She is sleeping. Please make it correction. She is sleeping. There is no object. Transitive kind of main verb. There are two kinds of the main verb. That is the transitive verb and intransitive verb. Transitive verb is that which has the object after the main verb. It is called the transitive verb. And intransitive verb is that which does not have object after the main verb is called a intransitive verb. She is sleeping. There is no object, hence it is called intransitive verb. And it is called a transitive verb. Now, I want to tell you the two kinds of the present indefinite tense. First is the functional present indefinite tense, and second is the descriptive indefinite tense. I have written here, again I will, in the next video I will tell you, Gopal is a boy. DPI, descriptive present indefinite tense. And Sita is a girl, descriptive present indefinite tense. I am a doctor, descriptive present indefinite. Why it is descriptive? Because there is no main verb after the helping verb. And it is not the helping verb, it is called the linking verb. It is called linking verb, hence it is a descriptive. And here I am walking on the road. It is called functional. But I will tell you in the next video about the present indefinite kinds of two. That is the functional indefinite and descriptive. Okay. Thank you. Good night.